call for total dedication and commitment to the tenets of good leadership as encapsulated in Chapter 6 of the Leadership and Integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an open secret that the great people of Wajir County are craving for governance and efficient services. To this end, I commit myself to prioritize enhanced services, especially in the critical sectors of health, water and education. My pledge of services will be premised on objectivity and professionalism.